Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, before we get started, let's check out the dried results of my last painting, which dried perfectly. I'm super happy with how it worked out, and I'm happy to report that this painting has sold. So it'll get a top coat of Krystal Resin and then it shall be shipped off to the US of A. So yeah, super excited with how that turned out. So that's that. The next thing I wanted to mention is in the last video I mentioned spinner production is on hold because I could not find the metal swivels, and I was starting to panic, and I did lots of digging, lots of online searching, lots of phone calls to multiple companies, and I finally found not only a new place to buy my swivels, but they're the exact same manufacturer that, like, or brand or company that made the other ones. So I'm like, I couldn't tell you, like, look, ooh, I'm so excited. I couldn't believe it. That was loud. I could not believe I found a place here, local, in London. It's called Lee Valley, the store, and they sell all kinds of like gizmos and gadgets and knickknacks and like just all kinds of things. I've never even heard of the store. But oh my gosh, Anthony and I went. Turns out it's the exact same manufacturing company that makes the swivels from the ones I was using before. So I'm back in business for now. I'm gonna make 1 or 2 last batches of spinners, as many as I can make. And then once those are gone, I'm gonna have to put a hold on spinner making until I move. I am officially now under a month away from moving into my new home with the kids and the dogs and Anthony. Super excited, very happy about that. Yes, it's officially a month away. We get the keys September 22nd, and today is the 23rd. So less than a month, and I've already started packing so many things in the studio. I'm like, selling stuff. I'm getting rid of stuff. I'm also donating stuff, which I've already donated. So I have a big baker's rack that had aluminum trays, like 20 trays. I no longer need that, so I am getting rid of it. I am selling it. If anyone here that's local, because I'm not shipping it, do not ask me to ship it. It's not being shipped. It's from, it's a nice baker's rack. It's got a good plastic cover on it. But yeah, if you are local and you're interested in a baker's rack, perfect for storing your wet paintings and tiles and this and that and any sort of artwork, email me if you're interested. But yeah, there are a few things I'm trying to get rid of. I packed up literally all of my canvases in storage, except for a few that I'm going to use to make videos with. But yeah, it's been crazy. Packing. I still have so much to do. I haven't even touched the actual house packing. All this time I've been packing up the studio. That's how long it's taken me to pack up the studio. It is absolutely insane. I'm excited. I'm stressed. I'm anxious. I mean, there's just so much going on. So much. All right, let's get started to today's balloon painting. I'm trying new stuff. I'm going to try and experiment with something new today. And I will get back to doing regular blowouts because I do miss doing my blowouts too. All right, so base is white by Color to Go, Sherwin-Williams. That is my base. And just recently I got some Boom Gel stain paints from Fluid Art Co. So I got some new colors. I thought I'd give them a whirl. So again, you can buy this from the Fluid Art Co website. Again, fluid-art.co website. So we've got, what is this? Pearlescent Baby Blue. Then I'm going to use Dioxazine Violet by TriArt. Then I have this beauty. It's called Pearlescent Teal. Again, Boom Gel. Then we have Dusty Rose. That should be interesting. Again, Boom Gel. Then we have a Cobalt Teal by TriArt. And then topping it off, some Marine Blue by boom. But again, these ones say limited edition, so I don't know if you can still get them or not. This one I've had for a while, but these two are new. No, this one's new. So you should still be able to get them. And then for my cell activator, I'm going double here. So I've got my Payne's Gray by Amsterdam, and then I have Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. This has been in this bottle for years. I don't know if it's still good. I don't know, does cell activator go bad? I don't know, but I'm gonna try it anyway. What the heck, why not? This is all about playing around now. You know, again, I'm in the packing mood, and I have packing mode, not mood. No one's in the mood to pack, let me tell you. Packing mode. So I'm kind of just flying off the seat of my pants with doing videos. You know I said I was going to do lives every Thursday on YouTube, and I haven't done a live for the last 2 Thursdays because I'm just so consumed with packing and, like, you know, getting stuff packed up. And I just totally forgot. It was Thursday evening and I was like, oh my gosh, I was supposed to go live at 2 o'clock. But again, I'm just so busy packing. I just totally forgot. I didn't even notice the time. And I was like, ah, shoot, I will try. I mean, I can't promise these things. It's just what happens to be what I'm doing that day or what's going on and, you know, that kind of stuff. So I can't promise I'm going to do a live, but I will try my darned best. But again, oh, I don't have paper towel. Where's my paper towel? Hold, please. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I'll try my best, but again, no promises. All right, got the hairdryer, got that going. And so with the Boom Gel, I've seen people use it in blooms and they just pour it straight out of the bottle. So it's supposed to be the same consistency as your other bloom stuff. Notice I have no piggies in this bloom today. No piggies are being used in this bloom today. So we'll see how that works out. Let's put a little more, just a bit. So yeah, it's all like tube paints and stuff. So let's see what happens. Let's put this down. Oh, there's a goober. Oh, and I just covered the goober. Oh, come on, out you go. I think I got it. There we go. Now I got it. Ah, got my glove stuck in there. All right, this is a new one. Dusty Rose. All right, maybe I'm putting too much, I don't know, but again, we are experimenting. That is the fun part. I had a lot of bubbles in that one. Pop those bubbles. Holy moly. There we go. All right, if you're on Facebook, you would have seen some new updated photos of the house. Well, they were pictures from like 2 weeks ago, but I put up new photos. If you're on Facebook, you would have seen them. Super excited. All right, last color. Okay. Yeah, this stuff's pretty thick. It is thick. All right. Let's see. Let's bring it back down to the center a bit. She's got bubbles. Bubbles. She's got bubbles. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna do again something. It's just squirting out at me. I'm doing something different. So I'm gonna put black cell activator. I'm gonna put purple cell activator. And there's a goober coming out of it. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit more black. Why? I don't know. Because I felt like it. And we're gonna see what happens. Let's blow it out. We shall see what happens. I don't know. Let's see what we get. And again, I haven't used Boom Gel to do a bloom. And there's no piggies in this, but all the Boom Gels are like a shimmery metallic pearlescent. So, I mean, we'll see what happens. The center's not looking very good though. There's too much black in there. But the outside looks fantastic. It looks great. But what's going on in the center? All right, let's see if that does something. And then while that's doing its thing, I'm going to get a skewer, and I know how much you guys hate that. It's been a long time since I've done some squigglies. I need a new one. This guy's like all bent up. It's been a long time since I've done this. Why not? We are playing. We are experimenting. See, that worked. Let's do a little bit more. Oh, I think I did that too hard. Bugger. In the meantime, let's spread out the paint. Okay. Let's see, what can we do here in the center? I think we're good. Just some soft blows to kind of expand the cells. All right, I'm liking this. So I forgot to mention, this is a 12-inch round. And it's on my little spinner. You don't need the big spinner, the 12-inch, and I have the silicone mat here underneath, which you can't see. Actually, here you go. Now you can see. So there you go. This little spinner is perfect for a 12-incher. All right, let's spinner. Oh, that was a lazy spin. But look at all the paint flying off, and look how clean I am. This is the good thing about my spinners, is they are low to the table, which means you don't get splattered here in your stomach area if you're using like one of those high cake spinners. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, but I have to spin it some more because there's so much paint on here still. Let me get my edges, and then that way the paint will flow better down the sides. Oh my gosh, I love it, but I have to spin it. I have to. Okay, maybe I'll spin one more and then call it a day. Okay. Woo! Yes! Okay, I'm done. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh. Now, the question is it going to dry like this? Look at that. Look at that. Now, I can't touch the sides, obviously. Oh my gosh. This is so great. I'm trying to make sure it doesn't slip out of my fingertips. Oh, wow. Let's see. Is there paint in the middle? Oh, it's not moving. That's great. Oh, yes. Look at the sides. I mean, come on. Oh, this is so perfect. Oh, please, 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 please dry like this. Oh, this will be so so amazing. If this dries like this girl is gonna be so happy together. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I am going to clean up my mess. I'm already cleaning up my mess. I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up, and then it'll be interesting to see if there's shimmer in here because of these boom iridescent or pearl colors. So let's see. I'll be right back. All right, everybody. Haha, look. I mean, this is one of my good ones. And I'm crossing my fingers and my toes, and you guys better be crossing your fingers and your toes and everything, and pray that this stays just like this. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I hope it doesn't go wonky on me. Oh, I hope it doesn't. I hope it doesn't. Look how perfect that is. All right, let's turn the lights off and see what kind of shimmer we get. Okay, so we've got the flash on. Let's see. Oh, la la. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. Now, if I did this again, I would add, the only thing I would add is some gold. I mean, I love it like this, but there's just something about gold that goes so well with purple and the turquoise and the blues. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yes. Oh, I hope this dries. Look at the cells, they're perfect. Oh my God, I don't want to jinx it. I don't want to jinx it. Okay, there you have it, my friends. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Yeah, and if anyone is interested in this, you know what to do. Email me. I have these that are available for purchase as well. See my reflection? Hi. So there's that. There's the green one. They're all resined. Don't mind my light. Ready to go. Okay, and then the big one, obviously, down here at the bottom. And then these are the only three I have left over. I know it's bad angle, bad lighting. See, my light's in the way. You know, small studio space, but not for long. But yeah, if anyone is interested in any of these pieces here that you can see behind my light, they are going to be clearanced out because, again, I'd like to get rid of them and ship them out before I move. So if you're interested, let me know. That is it for me. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.